Welcome back to the channel, RacerX here, and today I'm back with my good buddies at Courtesy Dodge Jeep Chrysler Ram in Tampa, because just yesterday I made a little bit of an impromptu decision and traded in my daily. A lot of people don't know, I daily drove a little Kia Forte. I actually bought that car a couple of years ago because it's really good on gas. It didn't cost me a lot of money. I bought it brand new, 10-year, 100,000 mile powertrain warranty, a lot of good things with that little car, and I still love that little car, but there are some other things that I wanted to do in terms of just having a daily, so I traded it in on a new Mopar. So today you guys will get to see my new daily. Hopefully it's a little more fitting. It might serve a couple other purposes for me, which we'll talk about. But anyway, guys, we're going to see what we got. If you guys are brand new to the channel, do me a big, gigantic favor. Hit subscribe. You can find that button over yonder. And off we go.
T-minus 15 seconds.
Before I show you my new Mopar, just a quick reminder that my partners over at Dream Giveaway are getting ready to do the drawing on their Super Mopar double classic car giveaway, 2 epic Mopars in the same giveaway, and you have like a week to enter it. Take a look at this. So there you go, guys, your last chance to enter to win these beautiful classic Mopars. I will pin my code for 4X entries down in the comments section to make it easy to find, and I can't wait to see who wins. I did find the car that I just traded in. This is my 23 Kia Forte GT line. I did put a fair amount of miles on this little joker since I bought it, but that was the whole reason that I bought it. They got it right out front, right by the road. There's the dealership back there. And this has been such a great little car for me. A little down on power for somebody like me. 140 horsepower, I think, is what this thing makes. Little 2-liter naturally aspirated 4-cylinder. But I just wanted something, you know, brand new, good warranty, like I mentioned, that just sort of checked off all my boxes, and it served the purpose for that. But now we got something, and without any further ado, here it is in the flesh. It is a new Charger Daytona RT EV. What do you guys think about? No, I'm totally messing with you guys. Don't unsubscribe yet. That's not really it. Come on! There she is. There is my 2026 Ram Rebel. This is actually what I bought just yesterday, and I think this thing is absolutely beautiful. I think it serves pretty much any purpose I want for a daily right now. I'll tell you partly why I decided to get this thing, but this is Delmonico Red, and I am actually a huge fan of this color. I've never really been a big fan of like the Octane Red. It's just never really been my thing, and this thing is similar to like an Octane Red. I think there's a lot more fleck in this paint, but this black and red combination on this joker, I think it looks really, really good. And the Rebel is kind of the more affordable Baja style truck that they make. We know they make an RHO and a TRX. I love both of those two, but they would have cost me a lot more money. Couple other quick points on the Rebel and why I like it so well. Check out the graphics package on the back. Now, I've heard people say that they don't necessarily like that. I'm not really sure why, because I think it looks fantastic on the back of this, and it really does fit the theme of the truck. I do like the 33-inch off-road tires that come on this with the white lettering. You get Bilstein shocks all the way around on this, which actually raise the truck by about an inch. So it has a more aggressive stance than a regular, say, 1500 Bighorn, something like that. And something else, another reason I really like this Delmonico Red, check out the base seats in the Rebel. This is what will come on any base Rebel, and you know, whether it's white or gray or whatever, they're going to kind of get this red finish on the inside unless you go with the fully upgraded seats. I think these seats are a little softer, and they basically match the outside of the truck perfectly. I mean, take a look at the stitching on the inside, the red stitching. I mean, just the fit and finish of this truck is absolutely fantastic. I'm a huge fan. Now, the Rebel only comes with one engine option, and that is this one, the standard output inline six twin turbo Hurricane, 420 horsepower, 469 pound-feet of torque. And we know for 2026, some of the trims like the Bighorn, and there are other ones out there as well, you can get the 5.7 Hemi. A lot of people are excited about the 5.7 Hemi coming back, but I can tell you, having driven a bunch of these Hurricane twin turbo trucks and having driven a bunch of the 5.7 trucks, this engine is by far the more powerful of the two. So expect a video on that actually coming pretty soon where I test both of the engines to see how the two trucks perform. No, it does not sound as good as a 5.7 Hemi, but it definitely outperforms it. It actually tows a little bit more, and believe it or not, this actually tows more than the high output Hurricane. The high output Hurricane, 540 horsepower, so it is quicker, but this tows 3,000 pounds more. So in terms of doing truck things, this little Hurricane packs a punch. Just as a quick reference, this is a 2026 Ram 1500 Bighorn with the 5.7 Hemi. You see the badge right there on the side, but take a look at the stance. Now take a look at the Rebel. Same exact year, but look at how much more aggressive the Rebel looks over the Bighorn. I definitely prefer this stance. Now, there are probably a select few of you guys that may remember back to the very beginning when I first started my channel, I had a Ram Rebel before. It was actually the tow vehicle for my Hellcat Charger. We called it Excessive. I raced that car at multiple events down in Houston, at Streetcar Takeover, took it to Oklahoma City once, and that truck worked so well. And it wasn't as well equipped as this one, but I loved that Rebel trim. Had the 5.7 Hemi in it, did some exhaust work to it. Not a ton of work, but it never really got much play on the channel. Now this one, I am not entirely sure what I'm going to do to this, because, you know, the Hurricane engine, do I want to tune it? Do I want to do all that stuff to it? One of the great things about these 2026 Ram trucks is they come with a 10-year, 100,000-mile powertrain warranty. That's just as good as the Kia that I just got out of, and they had the best warranty pretty much of any automobile manufacturer out there. That is something new that Tim Kuniskis did for Ram, which was part of the decision-making process for me, is look, this thing, you know, it's going to be around a long time, or if it's around a long time, I don't want to have any issues. 10-year, 100,000-mile warranty on these things, and it's just so nice to sit in this. Yes, I love my Kia, but it's a relatively small car. This thing is so big and so roomy. It rides so good. It is pretty quiet. We may have to work on that a little bit, so stay tuned. We'll see what happens there. But I'm just not sure how far down that mod rabbit hole I want to go with this, because it is going to be my daily. Time will tell. And guys, through the magic of editing, it is now the next day. You can see the Rebel in the driveway here behind me. Absolutely love driving this thing so far. Now, there's another reason that I bought this vehicle, and it makes a lot more sense when you see it. Now, for those of you that follow my channel, you realize that I do have my little Camaro LT1. So get ready for a lot more content on this. It is that time of year, so we're going to start the racing stuff and the mod stuff on this car. So many of you guys have been waiting. But take a look over my shoulder right here. Here's another big reason that I bought the Rebel. Obviously, this is a jet ski. It is a 2026 Sea-Doo GTX Limited. This is actually one of the faster jet skis in the world. You can imagine somebody like me. I actually bought one of these to do something with my dad. He bought one just like it, and this thing is bad to the bone. 325 horsepower, under 4 seconds, 0 to 60 on the water. And I've already had this thing out several times. And I really, really do enjoy this, but I was pulling it with my Kia. Yes, I spent like $700 to have a tow hitch added to my little KIA Forte, which actually did the job really well, but it looked pretty Florida man because the jet ski was bigger than the car. Now the car did it. It pulled it up out of the water just fine, front wheel drive, and that car's towing capacity is like 2,000 pounds. But it did look a little bit odd, and the car struggled ever so slightly on the highway. Now this Ram Rebel won't worry about it at all, right? I mean, this thing is capable of towing like 11,400 pounds, and it's got a Class 4 hitch on it. I mean, it comes completely ready to go to tow this jet ski, and this thing won't even know it's back there. The jet ski weighs like 1,000 pounds. That's including the trailer. It is truly a water missile. Really love it. Now I realize I don't typically show you guys stuff like this because I have an automotive channel and this doesn't really fit in with the theme of my channel, but I really do love this thing, guys, so I have a ton of fun with this, and I honestly needed a better tow vehicle. You can see the life jacket I have there for my daughter as well, but I've been having a really good time with this GTX Limited jet ski, a truly fun water machine. But now I'm glad that I have this Rebel. I can't wait to actually give you guys more content on this. I'll have to be very careful with kind of the content I film on this. Like I said, I don't know how much I want to mod it, but so far, been very happy. Anyway, guys, I'm going to keep it pretty short and pretty sweet today. I just wanted to show you my new Mopar for the channel. What do you think about my 2026 Rebel? Is this one of the best packages in the 1500 out there? Which one is your favorite? Are you a little disappointed that I didn't go a different route? I would love to hear it in the comments section down below, and I will catch you on the next one. So until then, RacerX.